Hey, I'm Lynn from Design the Life You Want to Live, and I'm going to show you how to cast on for making a gorgeous blanket. Get ready to get your learn on. I start out using 2 strands of yarn, and I use circular knitting needles. So I'm going to show you how to cast on to start your blanket. This is how my mom taught me how to cast on. Go in just so like you're about to knit the stitch and bring it through, put it on. And you can see how easy it is to keep 2 pieces of yarn together as you're knitting. It makes a nice chunky blanket, and it's a quick knit because these needles are so large. You suddenly look down and you have a blanket. I hope that was helpful on learning how to cast on your stitches, and I hope you end up making an amazing project. That was shit. I hope that tutorial was super helpful, and I hope you learned a lot by how to cast on. Okay, I can't do my outros. I hope that video was super helpful, and I hope you learned how to cast on and you end up making an amazing project. Are we casting on? Yeah. I hope that video was super helpful on learning how to cast on to make a gorgeous blanket. Good luck with your project, and be sure to get back to me on the blog and let me know how it went.